Hey design lovers, welcome back to my channel at RQ Graphics. Today we are going to create a stunning cheap poster design in Adobe Illustrator. Get ready to rev up your design skills. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to create a stunning cheap poster design in Adobe Illustrator. From setting up the document to adding intricate details, we will take you on a thrilling ride through the world of graphic design. Buckle up and let's get started. Set up the width, height, set on pixels, color scheme, resolution. Click on create. We will learn with the main 5 points: setting up the document, creating the background, GIF adjustment, adding text and graphics, customizing and enhancing. Let's start. Let's create background with gradient. Choose an inspired theme or as per your choice. Go to Object and lock the selection layer for further detailed designs. Take a star tool. Points should be on 3. OK. Drag it well. Color should be white. Properly adjustment. Take a rotate tool. Set a 9 and make a copy of it. Press Ctrl D for same copies. Select all and make a group. Go to opacity panel. Down its opacity, maximum 8 or 9. Take a rectangle and make a clipping mask. Go to layer panel and lock this layer for further design details. Take a type tool, add title text like desert storm or off-road adventurous. Adjust it properly. Create outlines. Choose a bold, adventurous font. Add graphics. Adjust it well and make a clipping mask of them. Take a GIF photo and adjust it properly on the layer. Again, take a type tool, add some title text. 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 Add some title te Choose an adventurous font. That's a wrap. You have made it to the end of our Jeep poster design tutorial. Pack yourself on the bag, designer. You have got the skills to create a stunning poster that roars with style. Thanks for watching. If you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button for more design tutorials. We will meet in next video tutorial. Till then, bye bye.